Hyundai has once again raised the bar in the luxury sedan segment with the 2025 Hyundai Grandeur, also known as the Hyundai Azera in some markets. This premium sedan seamlessly blends elegance, advanced technology, and an exhilarating driving experience. In this in-depth review, we'll take a closer look at the 2025 Hyundai Grandeur, explore its interior, analyze its performance, and discuss why it's a serious contender in the premium sedan segment. One glance at the 2025 Hyundai Grandeur, and it's clear that this sedan is designed to impress. With a bold front fascia, a signature LED light bar, and a distinctive parametric jewel grille, the new Hyundai Grandeur makes a commanding statement on the road. Hyundai's designers have seamlessly blended modern aesthetics with classic elegance, ensuring that the 2025 new Hyundai Grandeur remains a head-turner. The Hyundai Grandeur Calligraphy trim further elevates the design with exclusive detailing, premium alloy wheels, and chrome accents, making it a true symbol of sophistication. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the luxury that Hyundai has infused into the 2025 Hyundai Grandeur interior. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather, complemented by real wood trims and metallic accents. The panoramic infotainment screen, paired with a digital instrument cluster, provides a futuristic and immersive experience. The new Hyundai Grandeur also features customizable ambient lighting and a state-of-the-art premium audio system, ensuring every drive is a first-class experience. The seats are ergonomically designed for maximum comfort, making long journeys a breeze. Under the hood, the 2025 Hyundai Grandeur offers multiple powertrain options. Buyers can choose between a refined gasoline engine, a hybrid variant, or even the Hyundai Grandeur EV for an eco-friendly driving experience. The Hyundai Grandeur 2025 delivers a smooth yet powerful performance, making it perfect for both city commutes and highway cruising. Hyundai has equipped the new Hyundai Grandeur with an advanced suspension system, providing a balanced ride with precise handling. Whether you're tackling sharp corners or cruising on the highway, this sedan offers a comfortable yet engaging drive. Hyundai has packed the 2025 Hyundai Grandeur with the latest technology and safety features. The infotainment system is powered by Hyundai's latest AI-integrated software, offering seamless smartphone connectivity and intuitive voice commands. Safety is a top priority in the Hyundai Grandeur 2025. Hyundai's SmartSense suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced 360-degree camera system, ensuring both drivers and passengers are well protected. Compared to its rivals, the 2025 Hyundai Grandeur stands out with its premium features, cutting-edge technology, and affordable luxury appeal. While competitors like the Toyota Avalon and Nissan Maxima offer strong alternatives, the Hyundai Grandeur brings a perfect balance of style, performance, and innovation. The 2025 Hyundai Grandeur is more than just a car, it's a statement of sophistication and innovation. With its striking design, luxurious interior, and impressive technology, the Hyundai Grandeur 2025 is a game-changer in the premium sedan segment. Whether you opt for the Hyundai Grandeur Calligraphy, the hybrid version, or the Hyundai Grandeur EV, one thing is certain: this sedan is built to impress. What do you think about the 2025 Hyundai Grandeur? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and the latest Hyundai Grandeur updates. See you in the next video.